We're going to our princesses.
Hi guys, so I'm actually by myself today and I just wanted to do a quick unboxing of the Ferrara Market horror box. This isn't really my box, it's my husband's, but I'm going to open it because I can. But I don't really like horror, but I think the box is pretty cool and how they splattered it. Looks like, I don't know, blood or whatever. So we're going to open it up. So it has all these webs with insects, spiders, a rat, and a centipede. They're all stuck, and a fly. The next month's theme is movies, and I feel like that could just be like too much of a wide range of what they could do, because like anything is movies. So that's I don't feel like that's really a theme, because they could just stick anything in there and be like, oh well, it's a movie. But so we got an out of the box Pennywise Chase with the boat. I don't know why he's out of the box. I think it's kind of lame, but we are an out of the box collector with some of our pops, so it's not too bad, but it's just a little weird. It's a little scuffed too. It's all dirty. I don't know if you can see. He's cool. So we got a Gremlins plush by Funny, P-H-U-N-N-Y. It's pretty cool. If you like Gremlins. Little plushy, super soft. Gremlins. Do you like Gremlins? I don't like Gremlins. Nick likes Gremlins. Then we got, I think everybody gets socks with apparel. These are K.bell men's socks. Sock size 10 to 13. But it looks like, what does it look like? Like a monster or something. Let me Oh yeah, now it looks better. Now I could kind of see what it looks like. I don't know, like a snake. The other side, like he's gonna eat your leg when you wear it, because the leg openings are here. It's pretty cool. They're really soft. They're not too thin, they're not too thick. But they have the brand inside. These are cool. K.bell socks. I never heard of them. Probably just for men. And we got this die-cast metal car from Auto World. I don't think I'm gonna open this because I know it'll just get played with by the kids. So I'm just gonna leave it in here. It's red and white. It looks pretty cool. By Christine. Is that the? Oh, that's the name. The name of the car, Christine. Silver Screen Machines, Auto World maker. So this is a 1958 Plymouth Fury little car. Die-cast car. I think that's cool. Die-cast metal body and chassis with rubber tires. That's cool. And then we got, I do like these vinyls. The vinyl Freddy Krueger and Jason Voorhees from Nightmare on Elm Street and Friday the 13th. Got the blood splatter on the film. So these are quite new too, but I know they've been out for a while. I've seen them in a box. I've never seen them in movies. Just because I'm not into them. But they look pretty cool. They're super light. Super, super light. This is Jason with his mask and his sword, his bloody sword. Looks like he has like an army jacket, cargo jacket type. Mask. Look at this little thing. That's cool. And then Freddy with his claw hand. Freddy with his claw hands. I'm sorry, I'm talking a little low. On his hat. What is on his face? Is he burnt? Is he burnt? I don't know. Is he human? A burnt human. His hands. No shirt. I just recognize him by because everybody who dresses up for Halloween just wears like a striped shirt. But I think these are cool. These vinyl figures. I can't get them to go on the stands, but these vinyl ones stay in the box for us, so that doesn't matter. So we got vinyl figures, Pennywise, the car, socks, plush, and we got a Dorbs. So we got the Dorbs, Donnie Darko, and yeah, Donnie Darko. But we also had another Dorbs, the Chase. So we did get a Chase, Dorbs Chase, and the comparison, he has a mask and he doesn't. So let's open them and it's so Dorbs. So this is a common one. And I love how all of their chases come in pop protectors. I didn't know they made one for Dorbs though. I think that's the first time I've seen a Dorbs with a chase, with a pop collector. So this one is a Chase. Frank. Yeah. Frank. This is Frank from Donnie Darko. Frank. Right, this is Frank. He has a bloody eye, like somebody hit him. He has earrings, oh my goodness. Is it a boy or a girl? It's a boy, right? Okay. So, bloody eye, Chase with earrings. Little fur suit. I'm sorry, I haven't seen this movie, so what I'm saying is wrong. I shouldn't just not say anything. His hair is all curly. It looks like Snow White. Snow White has that hair. And then this is the common with the mask. It looks like a little rabbit with teeth. So this one's actually a pretty cool chase. Like some Dorbs chase is just like a little sign that's not there, or the sign is different. So this is actually a good chase because it actually looks different. I know there's some chases that don't really look that much different, especially for Dorbs. There's not really that much you could do for Dorbs besides change a color or whatnot. But this is cool, and I love that we got both the common and the chase so that we could kind of compare. But that is it for our horror box. I wasn't even expecting to order it, but we did. I'm happy for it. I think my husband will be happy with it. So we got the vinyl figures, which is cool. And then the two Dorbs, the plush socks, the car, and the unboxed Pennywise. Let us know what your favorite is, or if you order the horror box, put your let me know and I'll go watch it. And thank you for watching. Bye.